Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartphone Samsung Galaxy M54 5G in a couple of minutes. Let's go. Samsung, the Korean company, has been making mid-range smartphones increasingly competitive every year. While a couple of years ago, the A and M series were significantly inferior in terms of performance and functionality to their Chinese counterparts, current devices can hold their own. The hero of today's review, the Samsung Galaxy M54 5G, can attract users' attention with several competitive advantages. The external appearance of the novelty is not the only advantage, but it also doesn't have any obvious drawbacks. The relatively thin display bezels, the neat 32-megapixel selfie camera at the top of the screen, the ergonomic side fingerprint scanner, and the strict block of 3 cameras look relevant, although the positive impression of the exterior is slightly overshadowed by the cheap plastic of the body. The 6.7-inch AMOLED display is close in picture quality to flagship alternatives. The brightness reserve approaches 1000 nits. The image not only has a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels but also a 120Hz refresh rate. As a result, the reproduced content is impressive in smoothness, saturation, and clarity. Unfortunately, the PWM effect is present, and people sensitive to it will experience discomfort in their eyes after prolonged use of the device. The selection of technical characteristics is quite successful. The Exynos 1380 processor built on powerful ARM Cortex-A78 cores, 8GB of RAM, and the Mali G68MC5 graphics accelerator are ready to demonstrate excellent scores in modern benchmarks, over 500,000 points in Antutu V9, as well as smooth gameplay in the vast majority of resource-intensive games. Problems may arise only in titles that are not yet optimized for the chipset. For example, Genshin Impact will be available at low-medium graphics settings, but they will undoubtedly be solved soon. The CPU is energy efficient, and if you consider the presence of a 6000 mAh battery in the device, the autonomy will be worth praising. The amount of active screen time often reaches 9 to 10 hours. Fast charging at 25W helps to achieve 100% battery capacity in about 2 hours. Amazingly, the developer did not remove the ability to expand internal memory. Thus, 128/256 of a gigabyte of ROM can be increased with micro SD cards. The photo capabilities of the main cameras have undergone significant upgrades. Now, the photo modules are headed by a 108-megapixel sensor with optical stabilization. Such an innovation has had a great impact on the detail of evening shots. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy M54 5G is a smartphone that is not devoid of charm. Its combination of competitive advantages in design, display, performance, battery life, and camera capabilities makes it an excellent mid-range device. This concludes the review. Bye-bye.